Alright guys, I haven't done this for a while, so hang in there with me as I try to do this for the first time in a few years. But we're going to give you a video on how to find the slope-intercept form given 2 points. Now, before I get into this, this is a very simplistic way of doing it. There's an algebraic way of doing it, which you will learn next year in intermediate algebra. This is more of a graphing form, how to follow it graphing-wise to find the slope-intercept. So, let's get started here. You might notice that our first point on here that they give us when we're trying to find this equation is negative 9, 7. So on a graph, I'm going to take and I'm going to plot that point, negative 9 up 7, and I'm going to plot that point right there for you. Second, I need to plot the point negative 6, negative 3. So I go backwards 6, and I go down 3, and I'm going to plot a point right there as well. So I've got my 2 points right there. So how do you find your slope when you're given 2 points? So you all know you work from left to right. Going from left to right, you might notice that this went down 10. Then working left to right, you might notice that this went over 3. So our slope on this one is down 10 over 3 each time. So if I continue to graph down 10 and over 3, here's what that looks like. I will go down 10 more points here. I'll go over 3 points here. I'll put a dot right there where it should go. I will do that again. I will go down 10 more, over 3, and I'll pop that point right there. And you can notice I've now crossed the y-intercept. So if I take a line and I connect all the dots that I have going on here. So I took a line, I draw a straight line through all those dots. I now know that my slope is down 10 over 3, and I know my y-intercept, if this is negative 20, 21, 22, 23, my y-intercept would be negative 23. So my equation of the line is y equals negative 10 over 3x minus 23. Hopefully that helps you along the way, and if you have any other issues with this, you should be going on to the, let's see, what are we using for this? Oh, we're going on to the Hangouts on Google. Go on to Google Hangouts and drop me a note, and I will try and help you. Thanks, guys, and good luck.